I'll be making a homemade butter from 2 simple ingredients. All I need is 1 liter of full-fat cream and sea salt, and I'll be using a hand mixer and a pre-cooled bowl. I'll be mixing on medium speed. So I can see that the texture is changing already. It's turning into whipped cream. So we have to keep going until it turns into butter. To prevent overflowing, I will transfer it to a larger bowl. Alright, let's keep mixing. Oh, so I can see some butter forming, look at that. It's amazing. It's even changing the color, it's turning yellow. So by the way, I am doing this for the first time, so wow, look at that. Alright, now I'll add some sea salt. Alright, it might be ready. Looks like I have a lot of butter in here. And I can see some liquid parts separating, so I believe it's ready. Alright, so I prepared some ice water and I'm gonna rinse my butter. So that's my rinsed butter. I have quite a lot of it. So all the liquid is gone and I have just pure butter left. Wow, just look at that. And here it is. Homemade butter. A plate full of homemade butter. So this was really easy and it took me around 10 to 15 minutes. So that's it, it turned out really well. I have a full plate of homemade butter, so I'm really happy with this. I'll definitely be making it again. And I will store it in a glass jar. It can be kept in the fridge for around 2 weeks, but I'm sure I'm gonna finish it sooner. So here it is, that's how it looks. I have a little bit too much, so I'll have to use it. And you can store it for around 1 to 2 weeks in the fridge. Thanks so much for watching and I hope to see you in the next video.